All right, so today in your lab, the focus of this lab is to learn how to collect some data and process that data. On Canvas, you have, for today's assignments, remember we always look for our assignments where? In the announcements section. When you go into your announcements, under today, the first thing it says is Spaghetti Lab. Click here for the instructions. And when you open that up, there'll be instructions, but I'm going to highlight those instructions for you now. Here's what you're basically going to do. You're going to take a piece of spaghetti. If I could pick it up. Here we go. You're going to take a piece of spaghetti. You're going to lay it across a gap in the table like so. Look, I made a bridge. Now, you're going to break this bridge. Not karate chopping. You're going to take a small paper cup, disposable paper cup. And I just so happened to make one last hour, so I'm going to use this one. But you're going to take a paper cup, put a hole through it with a pen, run a pipe cleaner or a paper clip or something through it so that you make like a hanger out of it. Got me? And then you're going to hang your bridge. Sorry, you guys at home, this is what it looks like. You're going to put that hanger over your bridge like this. Lucky for me, it didn't break it. So because if my cup broke it, I'd have to find a different system, right? But so far, we're so good. Once you have this set up, you're going to grab some of these weights. Now, this is the only part that's not disposable, and you guys need to wipe these down with wipes when you're done, okay? At home, you might want to use something instead of scientific masses. You might want to use pennies or marbles or kernels of popcorn or something that are all about the same size that you can use a lot of. We're going to add them gradually to the cup until the spaghetti stick breaks, and then we're going to record the mass that it took to break the spaghetti. Is everybody with me? Now, I have all kinds of, I have 20s, I have 10s. Looks like I didn't grab one, but I've got 5s. I have 5 gram masses, so I have masses of all different sizes. I'm going to start with a 5 gram mass. I don't know if 5 grams will break this or not, so I'm going to add it gently to the cup. I'm not going to throw it in. I'm going to try not to drop it any further than I have to. I'm going to add 5 grams, and the stick didn't break. I'm going to add 5 more grams. Didn't break. Now watch. I only have 2 5s. So I'm going to pick it up, dump those out, put in a 10, and put it back. Took 2 5s out, put a 10 in. Get it? Now I'm going to add a 5. So far, so good. 15. 5 more for 20. Didn't break. So I'm going to pick it up, dump that out. What did I dump out? 20. So I'm going to put 20 back in, set it back up. By the way, I created this space in the table, but I didn't really measure it or anything. As long as it stays consistent for the entire lab, it doesn't really matter what that distance is. Good? I'm at 20. I'm going to add a what now? Should I add another 20? Add a 5. I'm going to go by the smallest increments I can, but always climbing a little bit at a time, right? So I'm at 20. This is 25. Breaks at 25. So now I'll record 1 spaghetti equals 25 grams. Is everybody with me? I will then repeat this for 2 spaghettis, 3 spaghettis, 8, 9, and 10 spaghettis. Notice I said 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. I did not say 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't want you to do 4, 5, 6, 7. I want you to do 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. As you look at the instructions, you'll see why, and you'll see the questions I'm going to ask at the end. Once you finish, please pick up all your broken spaghetti. Please pick up all of your weights and wipe them off and put them back, and throw your cup and hanger away. Questions about what I want you to do? get started.